flood warning in effect from this evening to late tomorrow morning. What? Minor flooding is forecast. Where? White Clay Creek near Newark. When? From this evening to late tomorrow morning. Impacts: at 11.0 feet, flooding begins into adjacent open fields. At 13.3 feet, Delaware Route 7, Stanton-Christiana Road, begins to flood. At 13.5 feet, businesses on Delaware Route 7 begin to flood. Additional details: at 10:15 p.m. Wednesday, the stage was 8.6 feet. Forecast: the river is expected to rise above flood stage by midnight tonight to a crest of 14.1 feet just after midnight tonight. It will then fall below flood stage Thursday morning. Flood stage is 13.0 feet. Flood history: this crest compares to a previous crest of 14.0 feet on December 25th, 2020. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood